Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so just Endra and Endrechi me be ready statement from Nigeria for womo government eba bonten a womo threaten Ghana say enyama bia koso ewo Ghana no womo susu say Ghana for asa ya hyeda atiyeni esi Nigeria for so ewo Ghana ha say womo bonsem bebre so ensemo asebe enye directly as affected to even Nigerians. Can Nigerian for a boss say Ghana for san ye de yo mo Ghana has just say in some more kind of here for eseweni. Now you see there's something that I've not been happy with, especially with the Nigerians on social media. They are making this thing look as if Ghana is hating on them. Ukwa YouTube, I've seen some big Nigerian YouTube channels post on this particular thing. We could read the comments now. Some more can say, and a Ghana for you almost say, and just say they are making everything look as if Ghanaians are hating on them. But you see, they need to know if any Nigerian is actually watching this. You guys need to know, say there are rules in this country. If a Ghanaian goes to other African country or any other country, the Ghanaian abides to the rules of or laws of that particular country. It is very hard. Say we better say Ghana ni yakọ man bi so, and a Ghana ni no wakwakoye ade bia etia wo man no mmra na Ghana ni wie ye na Ghana ni ne kase ane wo man no wo motan Ghana fo ni wo motan Ghana fo. It is very hard so don't say Ghana fo yes sir. Even in Nigeria, Ghana for eko Nigeria no. Womokwa, as far as I know no, womoko di Nigeria emraso, Nigeria laws no, womoko kodi so. It is very hard so be who say Ghana for bi epeja womumu say and Nigeria for time Ghana for ni. It is very hard. Se bibi to Ghana ni bi wo ho na nya na twese bia Ghana ni wakwa kotia mra. No wotia mra ni wi a won ba bonte ye mbeka say oh omo time Ghana ni. But the Nigerians are playing the victim card, and that is something that is not good. The last time reporter made will be saying, Melodies, the way you are talking is as if you are supporting the Nigerians. And I say, just a moody. Assembly Melodies can be no, you guys will try to have a problem with it. Now you see, my social media, some of the things no, I am even pushed. Me share me quote Nigeria 4 blogs. Say me a more kasa about assembly to the I'm even pushed to even make a comment. Me yes me make a comment na ma train na me say oh dear near. But me ko read the comments anymore. I see say some Ghanaians are even trying to educate the Nigerians, but still they are playing this victim card. Say it is on them. Omo tron krata by be kan sem to Ghana ban so. Ene ya sheda ne ye say ya sheda ne ye tina latest one na aba and say Ghana mbra and say so we are foreigner. You can't do retail selling in this country. We obi a wo nya Ghana ni a won't to me enye retail unless say ebia we show say okay you have about $1 million and then you say yes you have enough money in your account as tax so say and then that is embra a ewo Ghana ha say but and Nigeria 4% yen Ghana for yembra no yesesa emomo ansa na wo mo beba na ombeba Ghana ha say no embra eda wo man embra sebe yempanyifo ede wo mo nyansa ahye no enu no ansa na Nigeria 4 beba yeman mu no afi wo mo ba yeman mu wie ya wo mo pese yen Ghana for yesesa yembra emomo enu hunti wo mo de nam na internet so na wo mo ka na Ghana for time wo ni ade na ye to wo shops mu. I mean there are laws in this country. If you really want to do retail business in Ghana and you are a foreigner, you have to attain certain things before. You have to prove that you can provide this. If you can't provide it, there is no way you go into retail business in the country. That is our law. If you're Nigerian and you're listening to me, that is the law in this country. So please, don't make this about yourself. Don't say Ghanaians are hating on Nigerians. No, please. Don't come and say Ghanaians are hating on Nigerians. And the statement that came from Nigerian government, it clearly shows. It clearly shows. When Nigeria closed their borders to Ghana, I think several months ago, I mean, Ghanaians, we didn't go out to complain. Nigeria for na senya womo to womo borders mu. Na yen say Ghana so eya na nkrofo ko Nigeria kwan so ba. Womo to womo borders mu e ma Ghana nkrofo womo ko Nigeria kwan so ba no, womo nyama ni ahye. Womo ko fa nyama eseye. Ba Ghana, me sure say wa wutie me awoye Ghana ni no. One test asem no kra. Why? Because Ghanaians didn't complain. Ye hu ne say eye Nigeria for man e na eye omo ankasa womo rules any laws ena wo mo say eyo mo borders ena mo ankasa se wo mo betum ye bia me kai Ghana mpanyifo ye bia se ye ne Nigeria fo be kasa se wo mo bie borders na wo mo enfi. So why is it that in our own country you want us to forgo our laws just for you? The laws were here before you even came to the country. Please, when we come to your country, we abide by the laws. We don't complain. If you're in our country, you should abide by the laws. Don't complain. It's just as simple as that. Now, I de say Nigeria for ebe trust statement eto abonten. Ema wiase ni na hu ye. E penti Ghana bad. Ema wiase ni na de say Ghana nso. The Minister of Information Kojo Oppong Nkrumah enso atro nkrata akọ wiase ni na explain matters. Na nkrofo hu say da bi nsem a Nigeria for kan no enye sa neti meni age. So that is what I have right in front of you. Letter Kojo Oppong Nkrumah watro akwa Nigeria for. Or say the government of Ghana notes with concern a statement dated Friday, August 28, 2020, issued by the Ministry of Information and Culture and signed by the Federal Minister, Honorable Lai Mohammed, on behalf of the Federal Government of Nigeria concerning current relations between Ghana and Nigeria. As Ghana remains committed to the maintenance of warm relations with all sister nations, particularly for well-known historical reasons with the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and will proceed to engage the Federal Government of Nigeria with a view to resolve comprehensively and exhaustively any matters that have the potential to sour relations between the two countries. Whilst Ghana finds it imperative, however, from the onset to state for the public record that the outline of issues by the Nigerian Federal Minister is not reflective of the developments in Ghana, any protest, decision or actions based on these reports will thus be unjustified. It has some work and say in someone Nigeria for a trouble no enya sanity. Senya no mo pese wiase ni na hu na Ghana for tan ye ni o ye tan ye ni o on be so mo tre se enya sanity. Akwa se ebia wo wuti wo fie na wo fie no embra ewo wo fie ne se ebia wo ba me fie ha sei by 10 o'clock ewo se wo biada na wadamfo bi aye na adwen se wo ba wo fie na wama wadamfo ne hu se okay o pese obeti na me fie dia no problem but me fie ha me mpede de bia but by 10 o'clock ewo se woda na by 10 o'clock na sa wadamfo na wo waka trend se wo ti wo fie na ono abeti na wo fie ni bi wama ne kwan se obeti na wo fie no wa trend se wo mpede de na by 10 o'clock ewo se wo biada no ebo 10 na afiansa wadamfo no wo ode injumesi so a chese wo ye dede embra waka trend se embra wo fie ni o ebo 10 afiansa wadamfo ne de injumesi so a wo ye dede wo sorry ka tre wadamfo ne se daabi me nso so e wo sa ade we so a wadamfo ne se ene wo tirim oden ene wo time so wo kra na ka asem we se bi na ka obefa ne sen. That is the same thing Nigerians are doing. That is the same thing they are doing. Eya wo kra na ka wani nje me ti me fie ene me rules a wo ti ase say okay Matthew rules na se ama wa betina me fie no wo betina me fie wie ye no wo pese me sesan rules na ema o sani e ya de afa me yes me enforce me rules na wonam na wo ye dede say ane ene all time yo and na wo catch am ansan say me time. It is the same thing that Nigerians are doing. It's the same thing they are doing. Ati ase and na me di kan no. You will not see any Ghanaian community in any country complaining say hey nkrofo ye tan ye new wo mu ye say won say Ghana for bi kasa maybe they are speaking say ebia ye mpanyifo a e wosa oman ni mu no enyama bi a wosa wo mu ye no wo mu nye. That's when ebia Ghanaians will only talk. But den so be say dia Ghana for bi gu Germany aba bonte be kasa en Germany for ni ye yen say yo en omu ye yen say den say bia Ghana for bi ti wo man foforo so ba bonte ene wo man na tan Ghana for ni den because Ghana for ye kwa ye ni membra na ye di so iti amede pa me said the information minister has come out to release this statement to show to the world because any ekoye ye no se wo bi nim ensem ni mu na nipa ko no na adwen se wo follow Africa senia ye ensem ti a ebia na nipa ko na ne kre wakwa akwaka se ne kre se Ghana for time Nigeria for ni nti ya me de say the minister of information enso aba release statement ama nkrofo hu se da bi enye sa nete. Montreal, comment box, for me, that's it.